guys! Welcome to my vlog for today's video. Ayan, heavy rain today. As you can see, so water is flowing down from my roof. It's so too much hard rain. So at the other side, as you can see, it's super blurred time because of the heavy rain. So we have a typhoon here in the Philippines as of now. Typhoon coming, typhoon Bibingka, I think. That is Bibingka typhoon. So, ayan guys. So to show you all, yeah, this is my place and this is my terrace. So, ayan. So, we cannot go outside. Wow, the beautiful flowers. We cannot go outside due to heavy rain for today. So, ayan guys. So, as you can see, the water is flowing down. Yan, that is from my roof. Going down. Still no pipe. So, that's why you can see the water is so strong. So, I will put back my mobile and stay tuned. So, this is it. My house is a little bit higher. So, you can see the other small houses here. So you see the mountain is so a little bit look like fog because of the rain, that is strong rain. So, and then this is where the road, as you can see. Yeah, this is my flowers inside the house. Look at the water, look at the water at the street. So strong, mga love. Because the drainage is broken, nobody will fix it. So the water is from the street running down from the mountain. So as you can see. Yeah. We have a drainage here. Yeah, as you can see, this is the drainage. But the water is not running in the drainage. It's running in the street. So funny. So our drainage is useless. the water cannot flow in the drainage. That is only in the street running down. Yeah, I will follow where the water is from there. So going for. So you see it, the water running through the street. This is the typhoon Bibingka is coming. Thank you so much for watching, mga love. Thank you so much. I will put the camera here. So, ayan. Flowers. Dark. As you can see, it's too dark now. I like the flowers. Thank you so much for watching, mga love. See you on my next vlog to update the typhoon here in my place, Philippines. Bye bye for now. Love you all.